Hi, doggies. Uh-oh, it's blurry. Oh, they just walked inside. Come here. Come here. Alright, well, my dogs left me. Sorry about the camera being blurry. It's warm out here. It's August 9th, 2024. It's windy out here. So I have some things to talk about. There's some wind damage. Actually, no, there's no wind damage yet, but I'm sure there might be some later. It's currently 12:01 p.m. And I have some stuff to talk about. So this may be surprising, but I knew it was coming. I'm gonna save that for later. So, a tropical depression Debbie has reached us, and we're actually not in the path of the tropical rainstorm. But it's reached the state of Pennsylvania. And we're getting remnants from it. Do you remember Hurricane Ida? When we got remnants from Hurricane Ida? Back in September 2021. A crazy storm with like the flooding and tornado outbreak. You might see some of that today. Except it's not going to be nearly as bad. But, so right now, there's a slight risk of severe weather with 5% tornado probability, 15% damaging winds, and less than 5% hail. And from now until 2 p.m., there's actually a tornado watch in this area. And I'm not lying. I'm serious. There is a tornado watch until 2 p.m. But to me, it honestly doesn't make sense because there's no, like, storms in this area until after 2 p.m. So either they'll extend the tornado watch, which I'm sure is possible, especially considering we may not get any severe storms within that time period. They're probably going to extend the watch. After the storm, there might be some trees down, and this large tree here, I've been trying to get my parents to have it taken down, because like if a severe storm hits with like straight line winds, or maybe even if a derecho hits. If a derecho hits, then that tree's probably gonna fall on our house, because it comes from the west and it moves east, so that means the wind blow east this way. I've talked about this before. Why would anyone plant a tree there? So this is the first tornado watch we've had all year. think we've had a few severe thunderstorm watches this year. Maybe multiple. Had a couple tornado watches last year. Obviously, the first one was April 1st. And the second one might have been August 7th. So, the storm may be severe, but this storm. Did I say that there was only a 10% thunderstorm at risk on the Storm Prediction Center? This storm is not going to have a lot of thunder and lightning. Maybe none. Maybe no thunder and lightning. But still can be, like, devastating in some ways. It could still be severe and produce tornadoes and straight line winds. So I think I'm going to end this video. I don't want to keep it too long. It's windy right now. That's all there is to see is some wind. My mom's actually supposed to come home today. She's supposed to fly home today. But due to inclement weather, I'm sure the flights are going to be delayed. So, I want to be aware. I have my emergency alerts turned on. So, I'll know if there's a tornado warning. I make sure that my radio is charged. I think about using my radio, my weather radio, and I'm going to make sure that my Kodak PixPro is charged too in case I need a backup camera. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I'll be back if there's a storm. I will be gone, I think, between maybe 4:45 p.m. ish and 5:15 to 5:30 p.m. So if that's the case and there's a storm, I'm gonna make sure to set. Well, I'm gonna need my phone inside, so maybe I'll set up my PixPro out here. Hopefully the wind doesn't knock it down. Because it'll be on a tripod, but I don't want to miss a storm. And if there's a tornado warning, then I'm going to need my phone to verify that. And I'm going to have to run back outside and grab my camera. Maybe I'll leave it outside if a tornado hits. I'm sure it's not going to be a strong tornado. We don't know. With all the trees here, I'm sure there's gonna be like extensive wind damage. If there is. But yeah, I'll see you later.